Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Searching for the ultimate kitchen companion? Look no further. Today, we're diving into the world of blenders to find the best one for all your needs. From smoothies to soups, this blender does it all. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Let's blend up some magic together. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender, the ultimate kitchen powerhouse for culinary enthusiasts and professionals alike. This professional-grade blender boasts a self-cleaning 64-ounce container, ensuring effortless cleanup after each use. With its sleek black and gray design, the Vitamix 5200 seamlessly blends into any kitchen aesthetic. But it's not just about looks. This blender delivers unmatched performance, effortlessly pulverizing even the toughest ingredients to create silky smooth smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its powerful motor and variable speed control allow for precise blending, while the sturdy construction ensures durability for years to come. Say goodbye to clunky, underperforming blenders, and hello to the Vitamix 5200, a true game-changer in the world of blending. Number 2. Ninja SS101 Footy Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor, the powerhouse blending solution you've been waiting for. With its 1200-watt motor and smart torque technology, this sleek silver machine effortlessly tackles smoothies, extractions, spreads, and more. Equipped with 6 versatile functions, it's a kitchen essential for anyone seeking convenience and versatility. The included 14 ounces to-go cups and lids make on-the-go nutrition a breeze, ensuring you can enjoy your favorite blends wherever you are. Whether you're blending up morning smoothies or whipping up nutrient-packed spreads, the Ninja SS101 delivers unmatched performance and convenience in one stylish package. Say hello to your new favorite kitchen companion. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender, your ultimate companion for whipping up delicious shakes and smoothies effortlessly. Boasting a 40-ounce glass jar and 14 versatile functions, this blender is a powerhouse in the kitchen. Its ice saber blades and 700 watts of power ensure consistently smooth results every time. The sleek design in black and stainless steel adds a touch of elegance to your countertop. Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or crushing ice for your favorite drinks, this blender handles it all with ease. Say goodbye to chunky textures and hello to silky smooth concoctions, thanks to Hamilton Beach's commitment to quality and innovation. Upgrade your blending game with the Wave Crusher blender and experience the difference it makes in your daily routine. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Power Crush Countertop Blender, BL1230SG. This sleek powerhouse boasts a 700W motor, effortlessly blending through fruits, veggies, and ice with its 4 speed settings. Its 6-cup glass jar ensures durability and easy cleaning, plus it's dishwasher safe, making post-smoothie cleanup a breeze. What's impressive is its Power Crush technology, which ensures consistent results every time. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or evening cocktails, this blender delivers smooth perfection with every blend. It's a definite game changer for any kitchen enthusiast. If you're in the market for a reliable, versatile blender, the Black Plus Decker Power Crush is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Amphter Professional Plus Blender for Kitchen, a powerhouse with a 950W motor and a sleek stainless countertop design. With its 50-ounce glass jar, it's your go-to for everything from silky purees to crushing ice with ease. Whether you're whipping up morning smoothies or indulging in post-workout shakes, this blender delivers smooth, consistent results every time. Its intuitive controls make operation a breeze, and cleanup is a snap thanks to its dishwasher-safe components. Say goodbye to chunky blends and hello to culinary perfection with the Amphter Professional Plus Blender for Kitchen. Elevate your blending game today. In conclusion, finding the best blender for all your culinary adventures boils down to personal preferences and specific needs. Whether it's smoothies, soups, or sauces, the right blender can revolutionize your kitchen experience. With a myriad of options available, from power to capacity and versatility, there's a perfect fit for everyone. We hope this guide has helped narrow down your choices and empowered you to make the best decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content like this. Remember to like and share to spread the knowledge.